Hi everyone, we're here in the Maldives. We're about to take you on an amazing tour inside this absolutely incredible water villa behind me. We're at a resort called Angsana Velavaru, and this is their in-ocean sunset pool villa. So if you want to come with me, we'll show you everything about this villa. So as you can see, huge big infinity pool stretching out into the ocean. As we come down the side of it, you'll see how long it actually is. We're walking up the jetty here. So this is like a private villa, so you would book all of this for 2 people. So it's like incredible. You can see the views here out to the lagoon. So we're on the decking now. We've just come up this jetty here. So at the end of there is a day bed, which they call a sala, which is somewhere you can sit and chill, sunbathe. There's also access there to go down to a snorkel in the lagoon, because there's a coral reef out there. There's a table and chairs here. This the best parts of this villa. So this is the infinity pool. As you can see, it's really long for a villa here in Maldives. This is all your own private pool. From out there, at the end you can sit and chill and sunbathe. Down below me are 2 sunbeds. So they kind of act as sun lounges, but even wider, even more relaxing, nice and comfortable, soft cushion. And this is pretty special. It's a hammock, so like an overwater hammock with cushions. Sit here, I can actually see the lagoon through here. You can enjoy the views out there to the ocean. So if you're ready, we're now going to take you inside. So as you come in, you'll see the bed is in the middle of the room. So this is a big double bed that's got views there out to the lagoon. As we turn it around here, this is the bathroom. Big feature here, obviously, is this cool bath. So you can sit here, look out to the views again. It's really cool kind of style inside. Nice and light, because all of the windows, all of the walls there are actually windows. There's a shower here, which has got views down to the lagoon, so you can watch the fish swim around as you shower. I'm going to come around now, I'll take you into the living room. So, I'll just show you how these doors work. So, this is a really nice design feature. These 3 parts of the villa all divide up with these doors. So I'm in the living room, just come through the bathroom, and there's the bathroom at the end, just come through the bedroom. So here is a little office table and chairs to sit and enjoy the view. There's a sofa here, TV, and we're just going to take you upstairs, because one of the key features of this amazing villa is it's got this upstairs area. So this is pretty incredible. I haven't seen anything quite like this in the Maldives or anywhere else. So as you come up, you'll see the views as we turn around here. And look at that, so we're on the 2nd floor here, but because of the height of the ceilings, it feels more like you're on the 3rd floor, I would say. There's views here, down to your own pool, out to the jetty beyond. As we come over here, you can see there's 2 sun lounges there. There's a little area here for cooling off, washing the feet, and again the views down there to the villa. There's one last thing, so if I show you around here, these villas are actually all floating in the middle of the ocean. They're not attached to an island, which is pretty crazy. The island actually is over there, as you can see in the distance. But we are on a self-sufficient kind of island, well, not really an island, but a jetty of villas such as this. It floats in the middle of the lagoon, and you have to get a boat across from the mainland, so it's really fun. But here, there's restaurants, there's a bar, there's everything you could need here. So you can stay here or go to the island. That pretty much concludes the tour, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Pop in the comments if you've got any questions, or if you'd like to know more about the resort. We're here filming for a couple of days, and we hope you enjoyed that tour. So see you later.